you are new. I feel like my energy is low now, so I need that kick again. Hi, I'm Bume. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for choosing to watch this specific video. I just hope you have the time to check my other videos out. Please subscribe, like my shit, you know, like it doesn't cost a thing. And if you are a returnee, a golden oldie, thank you so much for watching another video. I really appreciate you. So as you know, I'm in America and I am struggling to do my hair. So I just decided to do my own hair because I have 10 fingers, I have 2 hands. I almost said I have 10 toes. I don't know who to be on play, but you catch my drift. If you don't know me and you're new to this channel, I just recently moved to America, and yeah, I just get shocked every day. Now man, like 5 months later, I still get shocked every single day. So one thing that shocked me were the braid prices. The prices that people pay for braids here is ridiculous, number one. Number two, vele, there's no one who can braid my hair here because I live in a predominantly white neighborhood, and yeah, I've been trying to find a salon that can help me out with cornrows for the past few days, and it's not been going well. So I'm gonna try again today. I showed you that I got these pre-made braids from Temu. Shout out Temu. Get Duralan. First of all, like, the prices here are ridiculous, and you know what I hate the most here is that they charge you for everything. Umuntu uzokchargela literally for ugu hair dryer. They will charge you, and it's a ridiculous amount, and I just really hate uguti, like you have to pay for everything here. I feel like in South Africa we have it good, and yeah, if you can, stay in South Africa, don't leave. I'm a cheapskate and I'm not willing to pay 50 billion for braids and spend so much time trying to attach them to my hair. It's not me. You're paying with your time, you're paying with your money. I'm not interested in that. I'm excited for you and I'm excited for myself, so let's get started. First things first, I need to show you my hair. My hair is not the hair that you think it is. So this is my hair. It actually looks way better on camera than it looks in person, I promise you. I've been wearing wigs, and then for the past week I've been wearing caps because I was just so fed up and I was not interested. So right now I'm going to have to comb my hair out because, and also I don't have a, guys, why not taking after comb? My hair is so anile, hey, and it's gonna be so painful. How am I? So I went to Walgreens this one time and I got, hey, but what is this now? So it has this on the side. I didn't realize it when I took it from the store. It's the activator. Guys, why is this happening to me? So I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna return it, and I'm gonna get another box. I am back. My hair is giving Usiswaga Shembi. I think order has been restored. So let's get to mixing. I think this is a base. So you pour the whole contents to look like before I spill again. Oil. This is what makes the whole thing smooth. I'm not sure if you can see. It's fine. Also, this is how small my fingers are. See how long my hair is? Actually, this is shocking to me. Then do my edges. I can't believe my mom is not around to do this. Like, this was her thing, you know. It just clicked just now that she's actually not here to take care of this, because she literally was my hair everything. It's burning now, so I need to go. Guys, ukuba content creator kunzima. What? I wonder if I was not filming, ne? Like, I'd be done. I would have been done. But guys, it was a success. My hair is stretched out, but it's so thin. Like, I'm so scared. If you want to relax your hair, get ORS. This is not a sponsored video. I have to leave now. I'm just gonna take a quick selfie for my bestie and just show her. I'm taking a quick selfie for my bestie just to show her, oh, I did it. My hair is actually long now, and I'm vlogging, that's why. But okay, bye. Yeah, I will see you at the salon. Bye. I need a drink. I just learned that hairstylists, they act as independent contractors because of, I don't know, time. So umuntu akangeni akasebenzi if there's no like official appointment. And yeah, and the one salon that I am kind of betting on at this point is closed. They open tomorrow, and I don't have tomorrow because I have plans, you know. I have you know, I have things that I have to do, and really today was the day for me to you know, just get this done, you know, get it out of the way, because at the end of the day I really just don't want to be wasting time trying to do my hair. I see a premium sushi bar right here. I was thinking of getting some sushi on my way home and, you know, just go home and do my own cornrows while I still have time. So yeah, we'll talk once I decide what I'm actually gonna do, but I doubt I'm actually gonna get this done today. I'm back from a very unsuccessful hunt. I'm so pissed because I can't seem to get my hair done. I need to get my hair done, but it's not working out. I tried to film another video of me doing cornrows on my head. It didn't work out, and right now I had to run to the store and get a wool to do Benny and Betty on my head. I got yarn, and then I got the tapestry needles. It's this actually, so that I don't balls on myself while I do this. So I'm just gonna do a wool ekandalam because I absolutely need this to work. I don't have the patience anymore. I'm so pissed. I did explain the whole thing and what led me to doing my own hair, you know. It's not fun so far. I really enjoyed relaxing my own hair, and I was really happy with like the products and the outcome. But right now this is like so frustrating because I saw it coming, but I ignored it. I saw Uguti, you know, at some point I will probably have to do my cornrows or whatever base hairstyle that I'm going to crochet these pre-made braids on, you know. So let's get right into it. Let's just see if we can actually do this. And yeah, also another thing I feel like into Entutuzayo at this point is the fact that I'm crocheting the braids on, so it's supposed to take like an hour max, because you just crochet and you make sure that everything is in place and you continue with your life. So I just hope, but I can't, angeke ngikwazi ukulala namhlanje ngingenawo ama-braids ekhanda lami, because that was the plan. So I'm just gonna fight till the end. You're welcome to join me. I'm just gonna show you how I do this, but first, before I do anything, I'm just gonna vuselela my hair. Hamtase, this relaxer. So I just finished my first line. I want to do a couple more, maybe like 2 or 3 more before I show you how I do it. I'm just trying to like get the hang of it. This is such a sport because at some point I go to the bathroom and I stand and have a mirror like behind me so that I can see what I'm actually doing. It's tiring, but it has to happen. Hopefully, it's like 7:30 now and I'm only on my first line. Hopefully by 9 I'm done with this. Hopefully. Uzoshaya utheni ngisenza la. Yeah. This is what I have so far. I hope it doesn't look bad, you know. I hope it doesn't look bad. So I'm on my 4th line now, and I'm going to show you how I am doing it so far. I start by opening a line and I try to make it as straight as possible in the front. I'm not great at like explaining stuff because I struggle with articulating my thoughts, but I'm going to try and keep it as simple as possible. My lines are not very clear because my hair is not moisturized. I'm trying to avoid getting my hands sticky because they will sweat and it's pretty much irritating for me. So I try not to do it. I'll only like base my scalp, moisturize my scalp after the whole thing. So I open the line only halfway because obviously I can't see at the back, so I normally do the back in the bathroom. So Then obviously I want to get like a good first chunk. So you just take a little chunk. You're gonna take a piece of your yarn, ne? So you're gonna take the chunk. This is my little chunk. I normally divide it by 2. I'm going to put this the one end of the yarn on 1/2 of my chunk, and then I'm going to take the remaining chunk, which is this one, and I'm going to create a sandwich, ne? So I'm going to place it on top of the other one. It's okay if you feel like you're not getting it right. It's just that so that you can get a grip and so that it doesn't come undone at any point. Then you start wrapping your hair with the yarn. Try to make sure that your yarn is not the thread. So it could be a thread, it could be a yarn, it could be wool. Just try to make sure it's not too long, because then you're just gonna keep doing this tedious job that I'm doing right now of pulling it all the way through because it's too long. But also make sure that it's not too short, because it becomes a job and a half once you're in the middle of the line and you finish your piece of yarn, and now you have to connect the next one to, you know, the whole thing. And then once you've covered most of your hair, preferably half, ne? You then create a loop. You close. So let me do this again. You continue the wrapping process, but now you can see that the yarn is wrapped around my fingers, ne? Then when you come back from under your arm, you open 2 of your fingers, you create space, then you insert the yarn, you pull it through the loop, and you create a knot. So you lock it. So I do this twice. So you need to leave it right here in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see it. You leave it right there so that when it's time to like do the second chunk, it doesn't, when you pull it, it doesn't come undone. Now you can start taking bigger chunks, but don't do it in moderation.